How to fix Telegram not sending code to your phone. What's up everyone, welcome to another tutorial. If you have been trying to log into your account on Telegram and Telegram is not sending you the OTP code for verification, here are a few of the ways that you can do to solve this problem. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get started. The first thing that you can do is if it is not sending a code to other Telegram account, you can try to send it to your phone's SMS. And if that's still not working, then you can try to download another version of Telegram. So go ahead and open up your Play Store and search for Telegram X. And once you do that, you are just going to install this app. This is by the same company of official Telegram, so you don't need to worry about it. You just have to install it and you can try to log in from here. But if it's still not working, then what you can do is go ahead and long press on Telegram, tap on its info icon, and then tap on force stop. Force stopping the app causes all of its background activities to stop, and it will completely halt all of its actions. And after doing that, you just want to head over to storage, clear cache, and then restart your PC once, and hopefully you should be able to get your code and log into your Telegram. If you found this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time.